here with Michelle and we are going to be learning the invisible bead method. A lot of you have trained with me before and learned our LA weave method, which is extremely important when you're going on to the next stage, which is learning the invisible bead method. So if you haven't already done that course with us, I highly recommend that you go first and you finish that course and become certified in our LA weave and flat track weave extensions first, so that you can get to know how wefts work, you get to know the base application, and then you can move to the next stage, which is what we're going to be doing today. So we have Michelle as my model and we've already color matched her. Now in the previous course that you would have done with me, you would have learned all about color matching, you would have learned all about placement and cutting and coloring and whatnot as well, which is why it's extremely important that you have gone and done that course first. So primarily what we're going to be doing today is learning the technique of the beaded invisible bead method. So we've already color matched Michelle up to Farah and Caramel Swirl. The only thing that we need to do now is a little color dip and tone them down a little bit. So I'm going to go and get these ready and then we're going to get started.